Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jalisa Jaikaran and I am a makeup artist. But today we are talking all about my hair. If you want to know about my face, feel free. Questions, comment section. But today we're talking about my hair. So I have not gotten my hair done like this since I literally was a teenager. I'm going to show you guys a picture right here. And when I used to do this style, I used to braid my natural hair down. And my hair was relaxed at that time. Braid my natural hair down and then add hair at the end. So it would look like, that's your hair? How that looking like your hair? So because the transition was, you know, nice and seamless. So I'm in Grenada right now and I wanted to braid my hair. I wanted something that was fast, easy. I don't want to comb my hair for the week. I work in, help me out. What was that? So I got my friend Shy, if you don't know who she is, her Instagram is Braided, to do my hair. And I just was like, I've been through so many styles that you guys have asked me so much about, and I've put it on YouTube. And then I realized that my style started to like I talked about my patra braids, but I didn't talk about my full locks. I didn't talk about my oh god, my passion twist, which was like, ooh, like that was cute. So I'm just like, all right, I need to start sharing more about my braids because I keep getting so many questions. All right, so hi, my name is Jalisa Jaikaran and I like my braids extremely long. Now I am very comfortable with the length of my hair. My natural hair is like right about, I cut it, so it's probably like right about here right now. But when it comes to braids, I like my braids very, very long. So I'm gonna give you guys all the information that I know about my hair. I'll put the, you know, what type of braid she used, and all of that. But this is just a little review of my hair. And if you want to see more and the length and all of that, keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little bit closer. So first let's go to the front. Now my edge control was like, girl, we are not built for this Caribbean sun. It feels like regular grease, but you know, we're gonna work with it. Alright, so she added braids from the very beginning till the very end. And I'm going to be showing you the length and stuff like that. So I'm just going to bend my head down so you can actually see the precision, see the neatness. This is exactly how I want my hair done every time. And if you look back in some of my old videos where I've gotten my hair braided, I've had quite the experiences in New York getting a good braider because I'm from Trinidad and I'm accustomed with the good braids. So when I'm like on the train or just walking around and I'm seeing people walking around with braids and I'm just like, why the ends look like that? Like they just went halfway and gave up. Like it looked like this, then this one looked like this, and I'm just like, what's going on? So the fact that I can get Shy to do my hair is amazing. And if you guys are living in the city and you could book an appointment, you will not regret it. And also she has someone local to Trinidad. Her Instagram is BraidMeTT Tally, and she's also like fire. So I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around and everything so you could see it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go down now. So one of the things that she told me was that the first couple of days, this area of my hair would be a bit stiff. Now it feels like it's moving a little bit more, but like the first few days it did feel a bit stiff. And before I show you guys the length, I'm going to show you guys how I hold my hair down at night. Now my hair is very long and I didn't bring all my like scarves with me. I only have two. So I'm going to show you guys how I braid my hair down at night. For the second one, I start wrapping this area because my hair is all around this area, and that's the area that I want to make sure that is staying as neat as possible. So now for the length. Now I always ask for my hair very long. I don't know the specific inch for this, but I always say past my bud or to my butt is always my go-to. And the ends of my hair, I want it always smooth, so it is plaited down to the very end and then dipped in hot water as usual. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.